Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. How to sing Let It Snow. Part 1. Listen as much as possible to the recording of the song. Part 2. Know the lyrics perfectly. At least once, just read the lyrics out loud and think about the meaning and emotions of the song. Like, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Not just words, it's a story. Part 3. Know the rhythm. Practice the rhythm by speaking the lyrics and clapping the beat. Like, oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Part 4. Sing together with the recording in a half voice. Like, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Now don't sing loud, just in a half voice. When you feel that you know the song well, move to the next block. Finally, practical block. I will say this right away. This is very important. If you learn by yourself, you have to record yourself on a voice recorder or camera and listen to how it sounds. If you have a teacher, he can correct you. So if you don't have a teacher, listen and control yourself. By the way, you have a great opportunity to send me a video of your singing and I will personally review it. I will respond to you in a video format. I would analyze your performance, show you strong and weak points, and give clear advice on what you should work on and which exercises will help you the most. This way you get real feedback, not just general tips from a video. It's almost like having a teacher next to you. You can send me your recording by email or take a lesson with me. All the information is in the description under the video. Or if you want to support the channel, you can become sponsor by clicking join under the video. In this case, once a month, you can send me your performance of any song and I will reply with a personal video review. Let's continue. Warm up your voice so it is ready. We will sing the song without words on the sound like b, v or z. Personally, I prefer b sound. This is needed to know the melody well and not to lose resonance while singing. I recommend doing this a cappella. Try to sing so that the vibration of your voice doesn't break. If you feel that it is too low or too high, change the key so it feels comfortable. Part 2. Solfeggio parlato, or spoken solfeggio. We will speak the lyrics in rhythm and on the breath. In places with accents, we will not make the voice louder, but we will sing the note as if it is a little bit longer. This helps to avoid pushing the voice. The weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. When we finally kiss goodnight, oh how I'll hate going out in the storm. But if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. This way. Part 3. Finally, we will sing the song with lyrics. Make sure to sing with feeling, feel the beat and groove. You will think about technique later after few performances when you will find weak parts in your singing. The weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. When we finally kiss goodnight, oh how I'll hate going out in the storm. But if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. I recommend to sing a cappella, record yourself and analyze until you feel confident with the song. Only after that start to sing with backing track or your instruments. I would like to warn you about common mistakes. Don't sing too student-like, too correct and flat, like the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow. No, make accents, play with dynamics, do soft, loud, like the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Like this. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like, write a comment, hit subscribe and bell not to miss new videos and your chance to sing better. I'm Andriy Mik, thank you for watching, bye.